Hello, hello. We're going to take care of the form now. One place you can get forms are Tally.so for free. I forget what they charge, but it's free to, they take a percentage out of your transactions. So it's a way to create free forms that don't require transactions, for example, or if you don't mind the cost. So we're going to go ahead and sign up for an account. Let me choose Google because it's nice and quick. Pick an email. Great. Max and motivate fate. Get the right password. Log in. Continue. Okay. We're going to create a form. We just call this lead generation form. We use /. That's how you get the options to show up. We'll do a short answer. Call this a name. Great. We'll do another short form. For email. Right. And I think we could here. We want to do this so it's email. Sorry, I'm struggling with this one. There we go. Email. There we go. And now we have email. Okay, sorry about that. Delete this one. And delete the space. We'll edit this. We'll call this get your free gift. All right, we'll publish. We want to test this real quick. We'll copy this right here. Over here, test it. Name.com, and we'll get your free gift. Okay, now we want to go back to our form. Check out the submissions. Looks good, right? Okay, that's the first step. Just creating the form so it's ready for the next step.